After much anticipation, the first official teaser leak for the Galaxy S24 series Unpacked 2024 has finally surfaced. On January 17, 2024, Samsung will hold its first Unpacked event. This is the time when Samsung unveils its newest Galaxy S phones, which are among the largest and most anticipated announcements in the mobile world each year. If you're not acquainted with mobile tech events, you may question why they're essential. However, this time, Samsung's new product announcement and phone launch are taking place earlier in 2024, allowing its Galaxy S24 models more time to compete with rival high-end smartphones. According to speculations, invitations for Samsung's first significant event in 2024 will be sent on January 2nd. There is a leaker going by the name of Mysterious Lupin who claims that the event will take place in San Jose, California, beginning at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. This year, in addition to the typical emphasis on the Ultra model, the Galaxy S24 Plus is expected to get improvements like a larger screen, a longer battery life, and more RAM. Walmart also posted the Galaxy S24 Plus sales page 17 days early, by error, recently. Thoughts of screenshots and their subsequent internet sharing preceded its swift removal. At their forthcoming Unpacked event, Samsung is expected to announce capabilities like Nightography Zoom and Live Translate Generative Edit. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are expected to be unveiled. Invitations for Samsung's January 17th event are expected to arrive on Tuesday, and based on a tweet from Mystery Lupin, Samsung will be heavily promoting the new AI features of its flagship models. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Plus is receiving a hardware upgrade that makes it more like the high-end Ultra but at a lower price, which might attract buyers looking for a middle ground option. In line with past reports that Samsung wants to avoid alienating consumers by charging exorbitant pricing, renowned leaker Ice Universe has also hinted that the Galaxy S24 series prices may drop. Cost-cutting techniques like not giving the phones extra RAM may be part of this plan. According to reports, Samsung has produced more Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus than it did the previous year, demonstrating its trust in the new products. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.